Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy Monday, March the 29th of 2021. Is today your birthday? Yes or no? No, it's not my birthday either. But I got out my party hat. My Bitmoji here is enjoying some cake because today we are talking about birthdays. I know today's not your birthday, but do you have a birthday? Yes or no? What are we going to do with our birthdays today? We will identify customs and birthday traditions around the world. Around the whole world. Do people on the other side of the world have birthdays? Yes or no? Yes, they do. And they celebrate in the same or maybe even different ways than we do. How will we study those birthdays around the world today? We will research facts on Pebble Go, then illustrate and write to explain a birthday tradition. Will you please say this T word with me today? Tradition. Nice. We will draw and write about a special birthday tradition. Why? We will understand the importance of beliefs and traditions. Do you think your birthday is important? Yes or no? And the way that you celebrate with your family and your friends is our customs and traditions. But the way you celebrate might be different than other people. So let's see Pebble Go so you can learn a new birthday fact today. Turn those attentoscopes on. Listening ears on too. We have 5 slides in a video. I hope you find an interesting fact that's new to you that you will write and draw in your journal for me today. Ready to get started? Birthdays! Say that B word with me. Birthday!
All around the world, people have special ways to celebrate birthdays. In Japan, children wear new clothes on their birthdays. Breakfast in bed is a fun way to start a birthday in Sweden.
Celebrate good times. Come on. What does it mean to celebrate?
Celebrate. To do something fun or special to mark an important event or day.
We celebrate so many things. We have fun and do special things for Mother's Day, for Valentine's Day, for birthdays, for Christmas, for Easter. So many days to celebrate. Today, we're talking about birthdays. In Japan, say that J word with me, Japan. In Japan, they wear new clothes on their birthday. Do you wear new clothes on your birthday? Yes or no? In Sweden, say that country with me, Sweden. In Sweden, they have breakfast in bed. Do you have breakfast in bed on your birthday? Yes or no? Let's learn more facts, but that's already 2 about Japan and Sweden.
Birthday food.
Oh, I love food.
People eat special foods on their birthdays. Pancakes with fruit are a birthday treat in the Netherlands. In China, people eat long noodles on their birthdays so they will live a long life. Many people eat birthday cake.
Oh, birthday cake, like you see in these photos. This girl's blowing out her candles, and this girl's taking a nice picture with her beautiful cake. Do you have a cake on your birthday? Yes or no? Do you blow out candles on your birthday? Yes or no? In the Netherlands, say that N word with me, Netherlands. They have pancakes with fruit for their birthday treat. See this girl? She's blowing out candles on her pancakes. Do you have pancakes with fruit for your birthday? In China, they're not eating pancakes. Say China, please. China. In China, they're eating long Noodles. Do you eat long noodles on your birthday? Yes or no? They eat long noodles so they will live a long life. Next time you eat a long noodle, think, I wish for a long life. 3 more slides and then our video.
Birthday fun.
Ooh, I like fun. What do you see here? Do you do that for your birthday?
Many people play birthday games. In Mexico, children break open pinatas on their birthdays. They catch the candy that falls out. In Russia, children at birthday parties cut prizes down from clotheslines.
Ooh, I like games. Let's talk about those games. Say this beautiful Spanish P word with me, please. Pinatas. Beautiful. What's a pinata?
Pinata. A hollow, decorated container filled with candy or toys.
Oh, I have a pinata right here. You know my favorite thing. It's a llama pinata. It's hollow. There's nothing inside. There's a hole here to put in the candy. In Mexico, say that M country with me. Mexico. In Mexico, all birthday parties have a pinata. Some people here in Texas have pinatas at their parties too. Do you have pinatas to celebrate? Yes or no? They break them open like you see here in the picture with the stick, and out falls what? Candy. You gotta scramble, scramble, scramble to get the best candy and eat it later to enjoy the party. In Russia, they don't have pinatas. Say that R word with me, please. Russia. In Russia, it says they cut prizes down from clotheslines. Here's a girl. She's also blindfolded. Where's the pinata boy's blindfold? He should be blindfolded. She's blindfolded and she's cutting prizes, you can see here, off of this line. Have you ever cut prizes off of a line for a birthday party? Have you ever pinned a tail on a donkey at a birthday party? What other games have you ever played at a birthday party? Ooh, a bounce house. That's fun. Musical chairs. I like that one. Games are very fun. Here on this slide, we learned a game in Mexico and a game in Russia. Now it's time for presents.
Birthday presents. People open gifts on their birthdays. In Denmark, presents are left around the birthday child's bed. In some countries, the birthday boy or girl gives presents to guests.
Check out this girl. She finds small gifts in her bedroom. Do you find gifts by your bed on your birthday? Yes or no? Say this D country with me, please. Denmark. Nice. In Denmark, they wake up to find gifts waiting on the floor. Another fact here says sometimes the birthday boy or girl gives presents to the guests. Your guests are who comes to your party. Have you ever given a gift to a friend who came to your party? Yes or no? Maybe a little gift bag to say thank you for coming. Last slide.
Birthday luck.
Ooh, you get good luck on your birthday?
Some birthday customs are for good luck. In Ireland, the birthday child is held upside down and bumped on the floor for good luck. In Nepal, rice yogurt is put on the birthday child's forehead.
Whoa, these are some weird customs. What's a custom?
Custom. A tradition in a culture or society.
So a tradition or a custom is something that they do every year.
Customs around the world.
It's the way they always celebrate the birthday. Not just one time do they do this, but every time it's someone's birthday or every year it's your birthday. In Ireland, say that I word with me, Ireland, they put the birthday kid upside down and bump on the floor for good luck. Do you do that? Bump on the floor for good luck on your birthday? Yes or no? In Nepal, say that in word with me, Nepal. In Nepal, they put rice yogurt on the birthday kid's forehead. Do you put yogurt on your forehead? Yes or no? Those are 2 weird traditions for good luck. But I've seen some of your photos where your family pushed your face in your cake? Has that ever happened to you? Yes or no? That is also a tradition for good luck we do to be silly on birthday parties. Let's watch our video, then we got work to do. Oh, what's that thing called they're hitting? A pinata. What's gonna fall out? Dale, dale, dale. Nothing even fell out. But you saw the girl wearing her blindfold, hitting with the stick, and her friends are all cheering her on. You can do it. Happy birthday. That's a very silly game, but it's also very fun. Now that we've learned so many facts,
Birthday custom.
Japan,
Home.
Sweden, how they have breakfast in bed and wear new clothes.
Birthday food.
Netherlands and China, they have pancakes and noodles.
Birthday fun.
Mexico, pinatas. In Russia, they cut a present off a line.
Birthday presents.
Denmark, they leave gifts on the floor by your bed.
Birthday luck.
Those silly ones, like they have Ireland put you on your head, and Nepal put yogurt on your head. So many different traditions. Now it's time for you to draw one and write about one that you learned today here on Pebble Go. Let's get ready. You need 1, your pencil, 2, your journal, 3, your crayons, and come meet me on video 2. Hasta pronto.